fast, let my beat keep rocking, cause we rockin' like that. Bust your ass slow as if you didn't know. Put my mic inside your brain, don't diss, home bitch. It's the rhyme, it's the beat, the vibe all together that makes the competitors sound like this. Really do I care, yo, I let down my hair when the music's up loud, man, I Jones real bad. Lyric overload in club, in the boat, in Jeep, in America, tribe going mad. Females ride while my niggas just ride with the songs we creating and musically relating. Sex niggas talk by bodies in short. Meanwhile they boot shaking on some punk shit faking. Wait, I can't front stick, man, there's a few who really come to do what they say they gon' do. Back at the bench, there's no car bench. Everybody gon' move when we say move. So do you like it? Say yeah if you like it like that. Yeah! Do you like it? Hell yeah if you like it like that. Hell yeah! Do you like it? Tell me if you like it like that. Do you like it? Verse 2 if you like it like that. Who could be the one rhyming ill, having fun, blowing up, making musical memories and things? Elevate your thoughts off the vibe that we brought while we climb and we shine like a Super Bowl ring. You could do it too, I mean pop like we do, interlock like we do, and make your own mark. It's deeper than the song, hope you live your life long. When you win, how you start, kid, you gotta have heart. Niggas in my shit, move, give a nigga room, back it up, it's a grown man making on time. Bust you down similar to Newport, smoking ain't a new sport, Smokey since the invent around. Gotta spread love, no matter where you are, where you at, where you been, cause nobody want beef. Fountain is good, just flows like a river. Just go with a nigga, kid, my state ain't beat. Jihad in the day, in the night, family, enemies. But yo, I really don't wet that. We was in the back of the joint cooling out, and I saw this girl after it, she like it like that, yeah. You like it like that, you like it like that, you like it like that.